Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. General knowledge MCQs related to important inventions and discoveries. The first industrial revolution, which introduced mechanized manufacture and steam power, originated in which country? The correct answer, Great Britain. First industrial revolution started from manufacturing of steam power engine, and in which country? United Kingdom, UK. The antibiotic penicillin, which revolution modern medicine was discovered by? The correct answer, Fleming. Famous antibiotic penicillin, which gave a modern revolution in medicine, discovered by Alexander Fleming. The classic double helix structure of DNA was first proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick. Double helix structure of DNA was first proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick. The subatomic particle known as the electron was discovered by Thomson. Electron was discovered by J. Thomson. The detailed circulation of blood from the heart through body and lungs was correctly described by the correct William Harvey. William Harvey is the person that described the exact circulation of blood in a human body. The chemical element oxygen was first isolated and identified by Joseph Priestley. Joseph Priestley was first time discovered the element of oxygen. First practical telephone was invented by Graham. Graham Bell was first time discovered the practical telephone. Invented the World Wide Web, WWW. The correct answer, Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee was invented the World Wide Web. X-rays was discovered by, which is very helpful in medical sciences, the correct answer, William Rontgen. William Rontgen was discovered the X-ray. Who discovered the gravity? The correct answer, Newton. Isaac Newton is very important personality in the discoveries. He born in England in 1643 and discovered the law of gravity. Who discovered the bulb? The correct answer, Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison discovered the bulb. Who first discovered radium and polonium? The correct answer, Marie Curie. Madame Marie Curie discovered the radium and polonium. He is very important personality in the discoveries of science. He discovered in both knowledge of physics and chemistry and awarded 2 Nobel Prizes, polonium and radium discovery. And he works on radioactivity and their related materials. He worked the development of cancer and treatment of radiotherapy. Who first discovered mobile phone? The correct answer, Martin Cooper. Martin Cooper was the person who discovered the mobile phone. Now I discuss the important discoveries and inventions such as number 1, atomic battery was discovered by Henry Moseley. Smallpox vaccination was discovered by Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner discovered the smallpox vaccination. Telephone, as already discussed, Alexander Graham Bell. Hydrogen bomb was discovered by Edward Teller. Hydrogen bomb discovered by Edward Teller. WW World Wide Web was discovered by Tim Berners-Lee. Polio vaccination was discovered by Albert Sabin. Polio vaccine, another form, Ines Edward Sol. Oral form was discovered by Albert Sabin. Blood group was discussed by Carl Landstrom. Radioactivity, Henry Becquerel. Electric bulb, Thomas Alva Edison. Mobile phone, already discussed, Martin Cooper. EMI, James Maxwell. Heart transplantation, Christian Bernard. TB vaccination was discovered by Albert Calmet. Nuclear program, Father Homi Jongir Babur. The Missile Man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. Spectrum of light, Isaac Newton. Law of gravity by Isaac Newton. Radium and polonium was discovered by Marie Curie. Radium and polonium was discovered by Perry and Miss Marie Curie. Wright brother in 1903. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Edwin bubble was discovered by Big Bang theory. Cotton engine, Ellie Whitney. Dynamite, Alfred Nobel. And on this name basis, Nobel Prize are also awarded. Similarly, X-ray was discovered by Cornut Rontgen. Energy quantum, Max Planck. Superconductivity, Heike. Relativity discovered by Albert Einstein. Laser, T.H. Similarly, videotape, Charles. Electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. Proton discovered by Rutherford and Goldstone. Leucris was discovered by Gerhardt. North Pole, Robert Peary. Bacteria, A.V. Penicillin, Alexander Graham Bell. Computer, Charles Babbage. Battery, Alessandro Volta. Force of deflection, Cornelius Farrell. Two Nobel Prizes, Frederick Singer. Television, John L. Bird. Radiometry, water thermometer, Galileo Galilei. Thermometer was discovered by Galileo Galilei. Radio, G. Marconi. Father of electricity, Michael Faraday. Gravity, Isaac Newton. Air condition, Julius Carrier. Theory of evolution, Charles Darwin. First printing press, John Gutenberg. First printing press, very important, John Gutenberg. Stethoscope, Rene Linus. Law of motion, Isaac Newton. Double helix structure was discovered by of DNA by James Watson and Francis Crick. Planetary law of motion, John Kepler. Telegraph was discovered by Samuel Morse. Periodic table, Mendeleev. First artificial satellite, Sputnik 1. Solar system, Copernicus. Computer mouse, Douglas Engelbart. Atom bomb, J. Robert Oppenheimer. Celsius, Andre Celsius. Bacteria, Antonio van Leeuwenhoek. Cancer word, Hypotes. Insulin, Frederick Banting. Very important. Insulin was discovered by Frederick Banting. Meteors, water overwhelming. Similarly, San Robert Hooke. Cell theory, Scandian. Cell nucleus, Robert Noone. Intergases are William Ramsay. Radioactivity, Henry Becquerel. The very important and famous discoveries already mentioned. Now, atoms was John Dalton. pH meter by Ernest O. Peckham. PVC, Igmar Baumann. Acid, Albert Hofmann. Hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish. Oxygen, Joseph Priestley. Submarine, Cornelius Darby, and microscope. Thank you very much. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.